Welcome back to the Prohibition Kitchen. I'm Anthony. Today, we're making the Martinez, an important stepping stone to the Martini. We're doing 2 dashes of Fizz out of one of these Japanese-style dashers, 1 dash out of the Ango bottle, 1 dash of the Bitter Truth Bogart's Bitters, 1.5 ounces of cocchi Vermouth di Torino, and again, 1.5 ounces of Hayman's Old Tom Gin. The last thing you do is take the ice out of the freezer so that it does not wet out. Never stir with wet ice. 60 or so revolutions. Coupe, fresh from the freezer. And we're gonna garnish with a lemon peel and express across the drink. Cheers! Mild, herbaceous, spicy notes from the Old Tom Gin, and this combination of bitters just has a beautiful effect on the palate. And the lemon definitely plays a very backseat to kind of balance some of the sweetness of the vermouth. Click here for a blind taste test of 2 bourbons. Click here for a playlist of a whole bunch of pre-Prohibition cocktails, like the Martinez. And come back next time for the beautifully delicious Clover Club.